Tired of wasting hours placing designs into mockups one by one? Say goodbye to repetitive mockup editing. Introducing the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator, your all-in-one solution for automating product mockups in Photoshop. Let me show you how easy it is to generate dozens or even hundreds of mockups in just a few clicks. First, let's get our folders ready. Here is our one-sided mockup folder with our PSDs in it, and this is our folder for double-sided mockups. This will be our output folder, and here is our main designs folder, along with the separate folders for left and right side designs. Let's start generating. In this demo, I'm using 10 book mockups for the demonstration. Scenario 1, one-side mockup generator. First, let's select our one-sided PSD file, pick the designs folder, and set the export destination. You can set a prefix like 1 and a suffix like side. For now, we'll export as a JPG and resize it to 1024 pixels. Ready? Hit Start Generating. The plugin will automatically detect the smart object and the number of designs, then place each design into the mockup, resize it, and save a new version, all in the background. This is perfect for items like t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, and more. The bulk mockup generation is complete. Let's clear the results and start Scenario 2. Scenario 2, one-side multiple mockup generator. Just choose your mockup folder, pick your designs, and set your output. Let's try using multi as a prefix and one side as a suffix. Now we'll export the mockups as PNGs resized to 1024 pixels. Click Start Generating when you're ready, and the plugin will batch everything automatically. It cycles through every mockup PSD in your folder, intelligently places each of your designs into the smart object, and exports a perfectly resized file. This entire process runs in the background completely hands-free, saving you from hours of tedious, repetitive work and freeing you up to focus on what you do best. As you can see, the prefix is multi, the suffix is one side, and the format is PNG. This mode is a true game changer for creating a diverse product catalog. Imagine showcasing one new design across your entire apparel line, on t-shirts, hoodies, and sweatshirts, all in a single automated run. It's also perfect for displaying your design on multiple mockup styles or from various angles, giving your customers a comprehensive professional view of your products and helping you build a stunning brand presence. Done. Let's remove these mockups and start Scenario 3. Scenario 3, double-side mockup generator. Again, let's select our double-sided PSD file. Next, select the left and right design folders. Make sure the designs in both folders have the same name for each combination. Finally, select the output folder. You can set a prefix and a suffix, but these are optional. Set your export format, size, and quality. Hit Start Generating and the plugin will automatically detect the smart objects. Do you need to automate double-sided products? This mode is built for you. It's perfect for flyers, brochures, packaging, and especially for apparel like t-shirts and mugs that have both front and back designs. The plugin intelligently pairs your matching design files, automatically creating a complete professional mock-up that shows your product from every angle. It's the fastest way to build a polished product listing that gives your customers the full picture. Let's clear that and start the final scenario. Scenario 4. Double-side multiple mockup generator. Let's select our double-sided PSDs folder. Load the left and right designs folders. And set your export folder destination. All right, let's demonstrate the ultimate power of this tool with our final scenario. For our file naming, we'll set the prefix as multi and the suffix as double, so every exported image is perfectly organized. Let's also choose our export settings. We'll go with PNG to keep our options open with transparent backgrounds. And for this example, we'll resize everything to a crisp 512 pixels. And now for the incredible part. As always, the moment we start, the plugin intelligently scans everything. It doesn't just see files, it instantly identifies every single double-sided PSD in your folder, automatically detects both the front and back smart objects within them, and prepares to match them with your entire design library. This final mode is, without a doubt, the most powerful feature we have built. This is where true industrial-scale automation is unleashed. It's designed to process multiple double-sided PSD files, each with their own corresponding front and back designs, all in one single, seamless operation. This is the workflow you've been dreaming of. And we believe in providing lifetime value, which is why there are no subscriptions, no monthly fees, and absolutely no limits. Your one-time purchase unlocks lifetime power. It's time to stop letting tedious tasks drain your creative energy. Get the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator today and supercharge your print-on-demand workflow. It's available now on Etsy and Gumroad. You can find the direct links in the description below.